Welcome back to Gorgeous Gardens of Utah, everyone. I ordered in a couple of white blackberries, and I'm going to do an unboxing and planting video of those. Alrighty. Now we can I ordered these from the Baker Creek Heirloom Seed Company, or rareseeds.com. I'll have a link to them in the description. This is one of their live plant offerings. Alright. There we go. And there we have them. The white blackberry. So what's that say? Zone 3 to 9. We're in zone 5, so that's good. Full sunlight, check. 6 to 8 hours, double check. pH 5.5 to 6.5. If you remember the soil acidity video, we learned that the clay soil here is very basic, so I will be using a potting soil that will be heavily peat moss and acid mix, and it will also include lots of perlite for this fairly well draining. Alrighty, here we go. This is going to be a fairly simple transplanting. So what we do is first take it out of the bag. There we go. And we'll definitely be using the Clonex here to help our roots establish to our new containers here. So let's get that all ready. And this is going to require just like 5 drops. There we go. And then shake it up real good. Alright, now to fill up our containers here. Alright, I'm going to use my little lotion jar thing to gauge approximately how big this will be, and that's a perfect fit right there. So we will fill it up. Alright, there's that one. And then this one that already has some soil in it. There we go. And then just bury these. Go. Sure, it's all nice and packed down. You can never have this soil too packed down. The roots will always find a way to grow through the particles or around the particles or amongst the particles. Alright, there we go. Now, we are good to just remove that and plant one of them up. There we go. Filling in around the sides there. You can also just squeeze what you packed around there. There we go. And that one's done. And then this guy here. And fill in there. And there we go. We have our 2 white blackberries. White meaning they're more of a pinkish, creamish color. I believe it is an albino fruit. I will need to do more research on that, but there we go. 2 white blackberries all planted up. Last thing we'll do is water them in. And go set those amongst the edibles. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me on Gorgeous Gardens of Utah. Happy gardening.